శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Hello, welcome to Python Programming Class 4. In this session, we will see working with input in Python programming. Python is available in two versions, Python 2.7 and Python 3.x. Okay, in this system, I have installed two versions, Python 2.7 and Python 3.7. If I want to work with Python 2, I can change the path variable Python 2.7. If I want to work with Python 3, I want to change the Python path variable Python 3.8, Python 3.8, like that. We will see. I am installed Python in this system within the folder Python 2.7, Python 2.7. In Python 3 is installed in the folder Python 3.8. Okay. Now I will see how to switch between both Python 3 and Python 8. Okay, this is the command prompt. I am going to the command prompt. CMD means this is the command prompt. At this command prompt, cd csc21 Python means now in the folder we are working folder of Python programming. In this one, all the files are there. Previously we have done clear means CLS screen. Python. Now which version we are using Python? Here it is the version we are using Python is Python 3.8. Python 3.8 we are using. No, I want to work with Python 2.7. Okay, what we have to do? This is the process. In this system only, okay, I am installed Python 2 in the folder Python 2.7. This is the folder Python 2.7. I am installed in this folder. I am installed Python 2.7. In this folder Python 3.8. Just how to install Python 2.7? Just download the previous versions Python 2.7 something, 2.7.1, 2.7.2. Plenty of previous versions is there. Okay, go to any version, no problem. Python 2.7.10 or 13 or 14, any version, no problem. Just create a folder in D drive Python 27. Just install. At the time of installation, check the folder Python 2.7. I am installed Python 2.7 in the folder Python 27 and Python 3 in the folder Python 38. Okay, in command prompt, suppose which version of the Python is coming. If suppose here I am typed Python means which version it is. Now running Python 3.8 version. Python 3.x version is running. No, I want to run Python 2, Python 2.7. What I have to do? Okay, this is the process. Go to the environment variables, this PC, go to the properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. In environment variables, one variable is there, path. Here path, one variable is there, edit. Okay, Python 2.7. I want to work with Python 2.7. So I am editing this one. Just I am changing Python 3.8 to 2.7. Python 2.7. Okay. Okay, now I will see what it is getting. Python. Which version? It is not coming Python 2. Why? Whenever we are updated the path in environment variables, we have to restart the command prompt. Okay, I am restarting the command prompt. CMD. Okay, here I will check Python. Which version it is? Python 2.7. Now I am working with Python within the version 2.7, 2.x version. Okay, suppose I want to change from this version to previous version, Python 3 version, Python 3.x. Once again the same process, go to this PC, properties, this is a matter of second, advanced system settings, environment variables, path variable, edit this path variable. Okay, in which folder we are installed Python? We are installed the Python within the folder Python 38. Just I am replacing with the 27 with 38. Okay, this is the name of the folder, installation of Python 3 in this folder. Okay, okay. Okay, once again after completion, close the command prompt. Once again open the command prompt. At present we are within the Python 2.7 version. Okay, I want to move Python 3. How? CM just change the environment variables in path variable. Okay, previously I am changed Python. Okay, in this simple fashion we can change from Python 2 to Python 3. Okay, in this session we will see about input function, working with the input in Python programming. Working with input in Python programming. There are how input is taken from the end user. In Python 2, Python 2.7. In Python 2.7, two functions are there for taking input. One function is input and another function is raw input. In Python 2.7, two functions are used for working with the input, taking the input from the end user. Those name of the two functions are input and raw input. In Python 3, 3.x, 3.x means 3.7, 3.8. Only one function is there. That function is input. We will see first Python 2.7 how to the working with the input. Okay, here suppose enter the value. Suppose I am entered 34. The type of the value it is considered as integer variable. Okay, suppose I am entered 10.23. The type of the value it is considered as float point variable. Suppose I am entered SRI. This can be considered as string. Okay, whatever the type, the input function it will considered as the given type. Whereas this is the raw input function, it will consider any type, only strings. Suppose we give integer value or float value, string value, anyone, it will be considered anything, it can be considered as only string value. Suppose 23, it is also considered as a string. 10.34, it is also considered as string. Okay, next, it is also already string means no problem. This is also considered as string. What is the difference between input and raw input? If we give the type input function, it will be considered as the given type. Otherwise, it is considered as raw input. Other raw input function, anything will be considered as string. Here we will give any data, any type of data. It will considered as any type of data. Here for any type of data it is considered as string type. Now we will see programs on this one, input function in Python 2.7. Currently in command prompt. Okay, now I am in which version? This is the command prompt. Okay, now I am in which version I am working. How to see the version, which version? I just type Python 3.8.5. Now I want to change version to 2.x. What is the process to change the process 2.7? Just to go to the cmd command prompt, not to command prompt, go to close. I am closing this command prompt. Go to environment variables. Environment variables. Here environment variables is there. Go to in this PC. Go to properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, path, edit. Okay, I want to work with Python 2. Already if installation is completed means we can do like this. Python 2.7. Previously I am explained how to change this one. Okay, okay, okay. Now I am opening command prompt cmd csc21. We are doing all the Python programs in this folder. Here, no, cd csc21 change directory. Okay, cls clear screen. Now I am seeing which version of the Python is running now. Python 2.7.3. Now we will do the programs using input and draw input function in this one. Python 2. Just I am going to the notepad of this folder. Notepad, just I am creating a new file new. What is the file save as? Work with input. Working with, okay, is the work with input. Just I am giving work with input 1. What is the type of this file? Python file. Just multiple times press the button P. Python file. Save. I am saving this one. Okay, a equal to input. Okay, enter the value of a. Enter the value of a. And b equal to input. Enter value of b. C equal to input. Enter value of C. Next I have to print the type of all the variables. Okay, print type of a is. What is the command for printing type of a variable? Type a. I am using the function type. Type of a is type a. I want to print value also. What is the method using printing the value? The value of a is comma a. Okay, here I am printing the type of the variable a and value of the variable a. Same, control V, enter, copy paste. Type of b is type of b. Next, the value of b is, I am printing the value of the variable also, not only type here, I am printing b also, b. Type of c is c. Okay, this is the program I have written. I am considered using the input function. This is in which version? Python 2.7. Python 2.7. I am writing this one. Okay, I am saving this file. For the saving, Control S. I am going to the command prompt. Now, which version of the Python it is accepting in command prompt? Python 2.7. Okay, all of you know how to change from Python. Suppose I want to change from Python 2 to Python 3. What I have to do? Go to the environment variables, path variable, change the 27 to 38. Okay, now in Python 2.7, I want to run that program. Python, what is the name of the file? Work with input 1 py. Enter the value of a. Value of a is 34. Enter the value of b. 59.34. Enter the value of C. SRI. Okay. Type of A is type int. The value of A is 34. Type of B is type float. The value of B is 59.34. Type of C is type str. Value of A is, here we are not changed in the code, that's why it is coming. Value of C is C. One more important thing I am saying that in Python 2.7, print is a keyword, not a function. In Python 2.7, this is a golden statement, remember. In Python, in 2.7, print is a keyword, not a function. Okay, it is also allowed. Like this, we can write the print statement like this also. Value of A 1, value of b1, value of c1, all of them are integers, that's why it is taken as int. Suppose I am given 10.3, means it will take as float. This is about input function in Python programming. Okay, one important point in Python 2.7 is, in Python 2 braces are optional. Okay, because print is a, later we will see about what is the keyword, what is a function. In Python 2, print is a function, keyword, and Python 3, print is a function. In Python 3, it is not allowed. We must, in Python 3, we are writing print function, means print braces are compulsory, must in Python 3. Whereas not required, print, not required, braces are not required. ఎక్కడ, where, not required in Python 2. Okay, this is the one of the important point, note that. This is about input function in Python programming. Okay, once again I am running this program for you. Okay, CLS Python work with input py. Okay, here I am expecting some space. It is not good inputting just beside of that one. I want some space. In order to get space in program, I will write like this. Enter the value of A, some space, colon. Enter the value of B. Give here some space, colon. Enter the value of C. Here some space, colon. Now Control S, Alt Tab. Go to the command prompt. Here I am running the program. In command prompt I am running the program. Okay. Here we will see. Suppose Python work with py. Suppose here I am given 89.34. Here the concept is, the input function takes 89.34. Automatically, what is the type of the variable A? Float. If the value here I am giving is 789. Okay, the type of the B is integer. String, I want to give MVR college. Strings can be specified within the inverted quotations in Python programming. Okay, now I am printing this one. Okay, the first value is considered as a float. The second value is considered as int, because 789 is the integer type. The third value it is considered as string str type. Okay, This is the about input the function in Python programming language. This is the input about input function in Python programming language. In 2.7, in this session we will see these three functions only. I am not going to the depth of this Python programming. Okay, I want to be a perfect 100% Python programmer means you have to learn with these concepts. You have to understand Python plus Python plus Django. Okay, REST API, Django REST API. We have to understand these concepts. If you know these three concepts well means you are a 100% program full-time development for Python programmer. Python is 50. We are covering this is the basic. You have a lot of time to do work with Python. Okay, in this semester you are if you concentrate well in Python programming, if there is no in syllabus there is no Django framework, but in extra class I will take, if you are interested means I will take extra classes also. I will cover Django with REST API topics also. Okay. Okay, input function is over. Whatever the type it is given, the type of variable, the type it can be considered. This is the about input program in Python 2.7. Next, raw input. Whatever may be the input you are given, it can be considered as string type. If you give 23, it is also considered as string. 10.34, it is considered as string. Or Srinivas, it is considered as a string. Any input, raw input means whatever the input you will give, all the input it can be considered as raw input. Raw input means there is no type. Any input it can be considered as a string. Raw input is a function in Python 2.7. Any input it is considered as a string type. The type of the input is string. Whereas for input, if 34, what is the main difference between input and raw input? In input function, we will give 34 means it will be considered as integer type. In raw input, if we give 23 means it will be considered as, what is the type? Though it is integer, it will be considered as string. Any type we will give by using the raw input function, then this raw input function will be considered as string function. We will see the program on this one. In this program only I am changing this value file save as, I am saving this file as working with the input to. Okay, I am changing the name of the function raw input. Raw input raw input. Here also raw input. Control S. Just I am running this program. Control S, I am saved this program. Next, CLS clear screen. Which program we want to run? Work with input1.py. No, the name of the file is input2.py. Okay. Enter the value of A. I have entered here value of A is 70. Enter the value of B. Enter the value of B is 23.390. Okay, enter the value of C. I am entered here value of C is value of C, my favorite hero Prabhas. Prabhas. Okay. If it is input function means it will take Prabhas as a string, 23.90 as a float and 70 as int. But it is a raw input function. 70 is also considered as a string, 23.90 is also considered as a string, and Prabhas is also considered as string. All raw input means anything can be considered as string function. Okay, we will see str. 70 is also considered as string. Next, 23.90 is also considered as string. Prabhas is also considered as string. Suppose the same values I am running with Python 1. Work with the input 1.y. Here we are using the input function. Same values I am giving. 70, 23.90, Next hero name, I will Prabhas only, Prabhas. Okay, here the same program, in input 1 we are used the input function. In the above program input 2, work with input 2, we are used the raw input. The raw input, the input function, anything will be considered as of the type string, whereas the input function considered as the given type considered as auto dynamically, it is considered as the type as, if we give integer means integer, float means float. Next one, string means string. Okay, this is the difference between input and raw input function in Python programming. Okay, I am saving in the notes. Next session in previous I will say how to access these notes to you. Okay, this is about input and raw input in input and raw input in Python 2.7. Only three functions is there. In Python 2.7, input function is there, raw input function is there. In Python 3, no two functions, only one function, input function. Okay, this is about input and raw input in Python. Okay, in Python 3.x, only one function, input. What is the difference between the function input in Python 2 and Python 3? In Python 3, okay, the input function is same as raw input function. In Python 3, input function is same as whatever the raw input function is doing, doing in Python 2 version, Python 2.7. Raw input means anything can be considered as string. The same in Python 3. In Python 3 also, if we give any input, it can be considered as raw input. Raw input as string. If the input, any input considered as string in Python 3 also. The functionality of raw input in Python 2 is same as the functionality of the input in Python 3. Okay, one question I will ask. In answers in chat box, type yes or no. The input function in Python 2 same as the input function in Python 3. Okay, I am also seeing this chat now. Okay, just type yes or no. I am given one statement. The input function in Python 2 is same as the input function in Python 3. Say yes or no. Just type. Those who are watching this video, just type there yes, yes or no for my question. Yes, the answer is no, because the input function in Python 2 is, it is concerned with any type we are given, means it will be if we give 23 means it will consider integer, if we give floating point number means it will be considered as float, if we will give some string means it will be considered as string. But in Python 3, the input function, whatever you will give type, is it integer, float or string, anything can be considered as string. Okay, previously we have seen the program with working with the input in Python 2 as the input function and raw input function. Now we will see program about input in Python 3. Now we will see the input function in Python 3. Okay, next go to the command prompt. Now which version we are using Python? Now we are in which version? CLS. In order to know the Python version, python Python type. Which version we are using now Python? Now we are using the version Python 2.7. Okay, last 13 is not required. Python 2.7 or Python 2, we will simply call Python 2, Python 3. Python 2 means Python 2.7. Python 3 means Python any version 3.4, 3.5 or 3.8. The recent version is 3.8. That's why I am considering Python 3.8. Now I am not considering Python 2.7, Python 3.8. Next onwards I will say Python 2, Python 3. Python 2 means Python 2.7, Python 3 means Python 3.8. Now now the system command prompt within the version Python 2.7. Now I want to change from 2.7 to 3.8. What I have to do? Exit. Now I am in the version Python 2. Now I am working at present. This command prompt is working under the version Python 2. Okay, we have to work with Python 3. What we have to do? One more point I am saying to you is, if you have system, you are unable to install Python your system. But I have to do programs in Python. Then what I have to do? What you will do? Then immediately make a call to me. I will give necessary instruction. It's a matter of 2 minutes time. Within less than 3 or 4 minutes, you can install that system. First, download the Python 2.7, any version, no problem. Python 2.7, any version, Windows installer. At the time of downloading also, if you have problems, then make a call to me. My number is 99485856661. Download the Python 3 also. Python 2 install in Python 2.7 folder. Python 3 install in Python 3.8 folder. If you download Python 3 as Python 3.7 something, means install that one in Python 37 folder. Python 2 means Python 27. If you downloaded 3.7 means Python 37 folder or 38 folder accordingly. Create a folder like that. Okay. Now we are in Python 2. I want to change from Python 2 to Python 3. Why I am changing? I am working in Python 3. I want to give example program on input function in Python 3. Okay, go to the environment variables. How you can go to the environment variables? Here in this one, click properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, path, edit, change 27 to, here 27 is there, change this one 27 to 38. That's it. Okay, Python 3.8 folder is there. Okay, okay. Is it now it will come? Python means Python 3 will come? Python, no, Python 2. We have to restart the command prompt once again. After making the update in path variable, we have to restart the command prompt. CMD, move to the D drive D colon, CD CSE21 Python. Okay, now I am clearing the screen, checking whether it is Python 3 or Python 2. Python, okay, Python 3 is there. Now I have to do program with input function in Python 3. The functionality is same. Here in Python 3, this is the program with raw input. Whatever the raw input function performing in Python 2, the same as input in Python 3. The raw input, what it is doing in Python 2 raw input, if we give any type of data, it is taking as string. If we give any type of data, it is considered as string. The same as input. The raw input functionality same as input in Python 3. I am saving this file as work with input 3. Just I am changing the extension as 3. Third program, that's why I am given name 3. Save. Just now I am running this program. Python, how to run the program? In command prompt, go to the command prompt. Here see Python 3.8 is there. Python work with input 3.py, not 1 2. Okay, work with input 3.py. In Python 3, in order to give print statement, these are must, otherwise it will give error. Okay, in Python 3, print is a function. This is the golden statement. In Python 2, print is a keyword. Parentheses are optional, whereas in Python 3, print is a function. We must use parentheses. Okay, work with input 3, Python, enter the value of A, 56, 23, 12. Okay, anything what it is doing, same as raw input in Python 2. Python 2, the raw input function, we will give any type. It will be considered as a string. Here also, Once again I am running the same program. Okay, here integer, here I am giving floating point number, here I am giving string. Okay, anything it can be considered as string. The functionality of the raw input is the same as input in Python 3. Okay, this is about the input function in Python 3. Okay, now I have one requirement. The raw input is nothing, is just to understand the concept thoroughly. Here input is different, here input is different. The raw input functionality in Python 2 is same as the input functionality in Python 3. Next, my requirement is this one. Here in Python 3 input function, suppose in place of a I am giving integer value. A has to be take integer value, not string. What it will give? It is giving string value. I want to store integer value in a. What I have to do? Enter the value of a. I am converting this one to int function. Using that function I am converting whatever the input is given to integer value. Enter the value of b. I am converting this to float. Okay, enter the value of c, string, same. Now I am printing the type means int float string will come. Control S, Alt Tab. Go to the command prompt. Python 3 enter the value of a 34, 23.12, some Srinivas. Okay, these are the values. The first value will be considered as int, second value is considered as float, third value is default, because the input function here it will take as string. Okay, this is about input, working with the input in Python programming. We will do one more program and fastly. I want to perform addition of two integer numbers. Write a Python program to perform addition of two integer numbers. Control S, just I am writing fastly. Just see it, file, save as. This is the fourth program and last program for this session. Work with input for save. I have to read two integer variables. Okay, I am using delete a, control C, b. Another variable is b. Okay, b equal to input, enter the value of b. Sum is a plus b. Sum is a plus b. Just I am printing the value sum. Sum is a plus b. Other lines are not required. Just I am deleting all other lines. Control S. Write a Python program to read two numbers and print the sum of those two numbers. This is the program. I have read the first number. I am convert that one to integer. I am read the second number. I am converting that one to integer. I am printing sum is a plus b. Control S, Alt Tab. Go to the command prompt. This is the command prompt. At this command prompt we will do next we have to run this program. What is the name of this program? The name of this program is input 4. Okay, I am changing input 3 to input 4.py. Enter the value of a 56. Enter the value of b 10. Okay, 66. The sum is 66. Okay, working nice. Next one, once again I am running this program. Python input 4. Enter the value of a 23.67. Okay, it is not taking because we are trying to convert float value to integer value. It is not possible. That's why it is given value error. Okay, we are trying to convert float value to int value. Okay, here a equal to int, value error, invalid literal for int with base 23.67. It is unable to convert this one. Okay, this is about addition of two numbers. Suppose here I am not given int means, okay, check different possibilities. Without int, perform the addition. Next second, I will do another program, save as last program for this session. Okay, program 5 and okay, I am deleting this one. What will happen? I will see. Input of next input function. There is no int function, only input. A comma B are both of them are of the type string. A is string, B is string because input. We are not to do any conversion. I am saving this as save, control save. Just go to the command prompt. Okay, at the command prompt to type this one, not to input to 45.py, enter this, enter the value of a 34 and 12. 34 plus 12 is 3412. Why it came? The sum is not addition is performed, concatenation, because 34 is can be treated as a string, 12 is treated as a string. That's why 3412. So once again I am running this program, clear with different input. Enter the value of A 12.45. Enter the value of B 10.21. What will come? The concatenation. Just A is considered as string, B is considered as string. Just both of them concatenated. That is the value. Okay, this is about working with the input in Python programming. Next session we will see some programs. Next session is exclusively about working with input only. Some more. Next session we will see 4 or 5 programs on Python programming. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query while delivering the lecture, okay, type in comment box or make a call to me or type in comment box or in live chat box is there beside of me. In chat box also, if you have any query, type it. This is important. If you have system, if you are unable to install Python in your system means, feel free to make a call to me. Okay, I will give some instructions to you how to install Python in your system. Just download Python 3, just click next, it will install. That's it. Okay, at the command prompt we have to set the path. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. We will see in next session.